Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to disable high-priority notifications for a specific WhatsApp group. This updated method will help you manage your notifications more effectively, giving you better control over your messaging experience. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to access all the features we'll be discussing. Next, navigate to the group chat for which you want to disable high-priority notifications. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group info page. Now, scroll down until you see the notifications option. Tap on it to access the notification settings for this specific group. Here's where the magic happens. In the notifications menu, you'll see an option called Advanced Settings. Tap on this to reveal more customization options. Finally, you'll find the Use High Priority Notifications toggle. Simply turn this off by tapping on the switch. When it's disabled, the switch will turn gray. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled high-priority notifications for this specific WhatsApp group. Now, you'll still receive notifications from this group, but they won't pop up as urgently or disruptively on your device. This feature is particularly useful for busy group chats that you want to stay a part of, but don't need constant high-priority alerts from. It's a great way to maintain your focus while still staying connected. Remember, you can always go back and re-enable high-priority notifications if you change your mind. Just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your WhatsApp notifications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.